Hi all. In this video I will be telling you how to create stunning pressed logo on card in Adobe Photoshop. You can use this method to create attractive invitations, stylish logo designs, brand displays, events, and celebrations covers in a beautiful card pressed display style and show off your clients and wow them. The process is quite simple and easy to follow. First, you need to download the card display PSD Mockup I have created from my website www.creativeallies.com. The direct link of the download is here and also given in the description of this video. When downloaded, open the PSD file in Adobe Photoshop. So this is pressed card style we are going to create for our logos and text objects. In the Layers panel, you will see a Smart Object layer with label placeholder and a group of layers with all the effects and styles of the logos and texts in a background layer. Let's start. Double-click on the Smart Object layer labeling placeholder. A tab window opens and here you see the logo and text in flat style. You need to hide or delete these existing layers from the Layers panel and put the new logos here. Switching to Adobe Illustrator, I have selected some of the logos to let you have the idea of how stunning each logo looks when placed on card in pressed style. Select the logo and press Ctrl+C or Edit Copy to copy the logo and move to Photoshop. Edit Paste or Ctrl+V to paste the logo here. Enlarge and set the positions of the logo and press Ctrl+S to save and close the tab window. Check the cool look of the logo and notice the pressed effects it has. Similarly, following the same process, again double-click the placeholder layer and move to Illustrator, copy the logo, switch to Photoshop again and paste it here. Save and close the tab window and the beautiful cool look of the logo is just awaiting you. You can also add texts in the tab window of Smart Object Layer Placeholder to make it look the same styles as the logo. hope you enjoyed the video. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the Creative Alley's logo at the right bottom of the video to subscribe and get more great information, tips, and tricks of Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and other design tools. Also visit our website www.creativealleys.com for free graphic design resources including vectors, PSD mockups, web templates, fonts, icons, and more. Here are some more nice videos for you. If you still not subscribed, you'll really miss. Hit the subscribe button now.